Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Charlie, let's get you started. I'm glad you gave me the power bill. I need the power bill in order to ensure that we put the right amount of panels on your roof. Now, how we do that is we take a look at this graph right here. See this graph? This graph lets me know how much electricity you've been getting from Nevada Energy and how much electricity that you've been using. So now that we have that information, we know how many panels to put on your home to power your home independently of the power company. So you just have your solar bill and you can just totally cut ties with Nevada Energy and no longer have to worry about getting a bill for electricity from them. Now that we understand that, I'm going to send a technician out here. He's going to conduct what's called a site survey. So he's going to get on top of your roof, make sure the roof is sturdy enough to handle the load of the new solar system. He's also going to make sure that there's no trees or any obstructions that's going to cause shading, because that shading is going to inhibit your ability to collect the sunlight or absorb the sunlight in your panels. He's also going to look at your main panel to make sure that that panel can handle the amount of electricity that's going to be coming in. After the site survey, we're going to send you over the plans, the designs, the layouts of the system, right? Once you approve that and give us the green light, we're going to apply for the permit. Once the permit is issued, we're going to schedule your install date. So after you're installed, you'll have one final inspection from the city to make sure we did our job properly. Once they give us the green light, then you'll be PTO'd. And that's permission to operate, right? So your system will be fully functional, all your electricity to come from your solar system, and you'll receive none from Nevada Energy, okay? Now, on top of that, your property value will increase, which means your home will be worth more. That means if you sell it, you get more money for it with the solar system than without. Okay, so that's a plus. But you also get the tax reward, which is the 30% tax credit. Yeah, man, so you can, use that to offset your taxes if you need to. Along with that, your bill is gonna go from $350 down to $173, bro. Yeah, man, high five, man. High five, yeah, man. Group fives, yeah. So your bill's gonna go from $350 down to $173. You start receiving the savings from day one. Now, you guys opted into the Happy Green Money Machine system. So let me tell you what that means for you. Right out the gate, you're eligible for all of our monthly gift grabs. And our gift grabs can be anything from money, tickets to a show here in town in Vegas, dinner for two on us at your favorite 5-star restaurant, right? Yeah, man, high five me too, don't leave me out, yeah, right? You also get the solar jackpot. The solar jackpot is a monthly drawing that we do every month for our homeowners so they can win cash prizes. And you can use that money from the solar jackpot to pay your monthly solar bill. Right? Now, if you have other friends and families who are paying super high electricity bills like you and you want to help them out, we have our referral program, right? So our referral program is a minimum of $500 for every person that you refer, but it's on a rising scale. So the more people you refer, the more money you make, right? Because you're going to be sending us referrals, we're going to make money, you're going to make money, right? If you ever get into a hard financial bind, money's a little tight, need some assistance with paying your bill, we'll pay your bill up to 6 months for you. We'll pay your solar bill up to 6 months with the hardship program, okay? Now, if you want to take it even a step further, we can turn your home into a money machine, which means if you are open to sharing your story about how solar helped change your life, helped you save money, and make money, you share that story with people around the country or people in your neighborhood that are just like you. You share your story, right? We'll pay you 50% of the profits that come in from those deals. Ka-ching! That's all because you got installed with NorfStar Solar. So check this out. If you want to find out if the Happy Green Money Machine system will work for you, if you want to see if you can lower your bill by transitioning to solar power, just put your name, email address, and the best contact phone number for you and hit the button that says I want my offer, and you can be just like Mr. and Mrs. Charlie, have a Happy Green Money Machine, and not only save money, but make money with NorfStar Solar. See you soon. Thanks for joining NorfStar Solar on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to see more from us and turn on your notifications to be notified when we upload new videos. Want to see how a Las Vegas DJ went from paying $350 a month for electricity to just $9 after installing solar? Check out this video.